today? It's OOBLEK. Hi kids, welcome back to my toy channel. And we are making OOBLEK, and I circled it because it is OOBLEK. Whatever we are gonna make in a science experiment, we always circle the question mark R for Rafa.
Are you ready for the science experiment?
Yes, and here's my list.
What's your list?
Okay, 1.5 cornstarch and 1 cup of water, 3 drops of food coloring into the water, and then dump it to the cornstarch, and then agitate.
What agitate?
Agitate is also another word for mix. Today we're making OOBLEK. We have cornstarch, water, and food coloring.
Without label.
And
Where's my food coloring?
And
The green one is done.
and this is blue. That is green.
Okay.
Can you help me pour this because it might get messy a little bit?
So what do we do first?
1.5 cornstarch.
How do we measure?
We need to go to 300.
300 ml or 1.5.
You can call it 300 ml.
Uh-oh. Wait. I need to put it here so that it won't spill.
Yeah.
Tell me if it's 300. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop.
Stop. I said stop.
Ah! Wait, let's see.
I said stop.
Is it 300?
Yes. Okay.
300?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. There's 2 more.
Okay, only a little bit.
Only a little bit.
There. Stop.
Okay. What happens if you put more?
It will make a big mess.
Okay. That's 300. Pour it over. Careful. Okay.
Okay, next.
My turn. It's Mama's turn for 300. Tell me when to stop first.
When you see the line there.
Tell me when to stop. Done?
Nope.
No?
Stop.
Okay, let's see. Oh, I think it's more than 300. No, it's just right. It's 300. Gonna pour it over.
Careful.
Ah! Careful. It's gonna be messy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like powder.
It's like powdered
It's
sugar.
like baby powder.
It's
Okay, what's your number 2?
like number 2, 1 cup of water. You have that?
Are you ready?
Yes.
In 3, 2. Okay, you didn't tell me. Ah! 3 drops only.
I didn't know.
You said it says in your book it's 3.
Because it always spills.
Uh-oh, it's okay. It's an accident. I'm gonna put 3 only. So let's find out. Elijah put a lot of blue. Mommy will just use 3 drops. 1, 2, and 3.
And then where's the spatula? You need to mix it.
No, you won't be able to mix it like that because it's too big. See, mine is really light green color. Elijah put, I think instead of 3, he put 30. This is super dark. Let's see what happens. It's an experiment, that's why. The experiment. Okay?
But I also like the dark blue.
Okay. So what do we do next?
And then we need to dump the glass of water into the cornstarch.
Okay, let's do it together.
Yes. On the count of 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, careful.
And then mix.
Mix.
Oh, it is blue color.
It's messy.
Or if it's too liquid, you can still add more
More what?
cornstarch.
Okay. Let's see if it's too.
Every time if you mix it, it's too liquid. And you know it's ready if it feels hard.
It feels hard. So you just have to mix it and mix it and mix it. Whoa, it's getting hard.
Yes.
But you have to be careful or else it's gonna spill. Why did they call it OOBLEK, Elijah? You know?
Yes, because you can punch through.
What do you mean by punch through?
You can punch through like this. When it's done, it feels hard.
Is this some kind of slime?
Yeah, some slime that is solid, liquid, and gas.
Maybe you can use your hands now. But it's gonna be messy, so you have to be careful. Okay? I'm just like mixing it like clay. I'll take off the spatula first. Put it here. Hold it, put it there. I can't hold it. Okay, go.
But I need that.
It's okay.
Here?
Yes, please. Okay. You have to mix it properly. Now I can smell it. It smells like glue.
You mean hot glue? My hands are already getting dirty.
It's okay. You'll have blue hands tomorrow.
What then how am I gonna wash them off?
We'll see if it's gonna get washed off. The kids will say, "Aha! Elijah has blue hands." Whoa! See that? Whoa! Now you have to mix it. Ooh!
I think it's ready already.
Yes, it's ready.
Ooh. Woohoo.
You can make a ball out of it.
Yeah.
What can you make out of it?
A ball.
A ball?
Yeah.
What else? What else can you make out of it?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you want to make? Whoa! Slimy hands.
You wanna make a ball?
Okay. How?
Make a ball, we'll just pick a whole bunch and roll it.
Okay, you do it.
But I can't.
Why?
Pick a whole bunch and roll it.
It's so hard. It's so hard to make. Ah! Oh no! I can't make a ball. It's too
Then
slimy.
you mix it. Roll it faster.
Okay, how? Roll it faster like this. Yay! Ah! Uh-oh. You have to roll it faster, like this. Ah!
Faster. Remember the crinkle?
Yay! I made a ball.
Yes, and then let go.
But I love.
Because remember, well, if you let go, it's liquid.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, so it becomes solid then liquid.
Uh-huh.
Cool. And then will it turn into gas too?
It just smells like gas.
Whoa. Okay, I am gonna make a ball. You make a ball. Try it. Faster, faster, faster. No. Try again.
I did a small ball.
Really? I didn't see it.
Yes.
How about this? Ooh, here, Elijah. This is a ball. This is a ball. Huh. Wow! That's magic. Is it magic?
I'm making a worm.
Okay, worm. Let's see.
Wow.
The worm melted.
It's like a dying
How about
worm.
a snake?
I can do it. It's purple. I got blue head. Let's punch through.
See? How do you punch through? Oh, cool.
See, I told you it's also solid. Kids, you remember what we made? Yes, correct. OOBLEK.
OOBLEK. How do you spell it?
OOBLEK. OOBLEK.
Is that correct, Daddy?
Yeah. Thank you for watching, kids. Please comment down below for all the other experiments that you want me to do.
We're gonna have